Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Gmail account. In this video, we'll explain how to do in each of these scenarios. Our process is slightly different for desktop and mobile users. So, we've prepared mobile users. There can be many reasons to delete your Gmail account. You might want to start from scratch if you have an embarrassing username or get too many spam letters. Alternatively, you might consider switching to another email provider altogether. No matter the reason, today you'll learn to reach your goal. All you have to do is follow this video. Open your Android settings and scroll down to Google. Then, click Manage your Google account. Under Data and Personalization, choose Delete a service or your account. Then tap Delete a service and then tap the trash bin beside your Gmail account. Now, follow the on-screen instructions and the rest of the steps are similar to those for desktop version. But 5 things to know before deleting your Gmail account is serious thing. For some, it might even compare to getting a divorce. Before you make the irreversible step, be sure you're aware of these 5 facts. Deleting a Gmail account is final. Your Google account will stay intact. No way to access other accounts. No way to reset passwords. And you can download all emails. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.